Hi everyone! Having a dirty floor is something everyone deals with regularly, but what sets people's experiences apart when dealing with this problem is the tool they use to remedy it. For those who have the Jashen V18 cordless vacuum cleaner, cleaning the floor is pretty effortless. Let me explain all the amazing attributes this vacuum cleaner features that makes it superior to other products. First, the Jashen V18 cleaner has extremely powerful suction. Its brushless motor provides ultra-quiet, powerful suction and can detect hidden dust when equipped with the dirt sensor. It has 3 cleaning modes: Min, Auto, and Max. Intelligent Auto mode is recommended as it can adjust the power from 150 watts to 250 watts to 350 watts according to the situation, and the running time is about 40 minutes under normal circumstances. You can also choose minimum mode for only 115 watts power or maximum mode for up to 350 watts power to meet different needs. But be aware, max mode can only last 15 minutes. If you have a big mess that needs cleaning, I hope you have an extra battery. The LED panel and LED light are also great features of the Jashen V18 cleaner. The LED panel shows the selected mode, the battery indicator, which shows the remaining capacity of battery, and red filter cleaning alert, which reminds you to clean your filter. The LED light on the front of the brush head will turn on automatically when you clean darker areas. That's pretty nice function for cleaning corners and gaps. The Jashen V18 cleaner has a 4-stage filtration system. Dirty air is spun around in a vertical axis, forcing larger debris and hair from the airflow into the dust cap. The 4-stage fully sealed filtration captures 99.99% of the fine dust. We recommend that you regularly clean the filter to maintain the best results. The washable HEPA filter doesn't need cleaning as frequently, and after washing, we suggest you wait for it to dry completely before using it again. Repeated washing with water can cause a reduction in filtration efficiency, so beware. The Jashen V18 has a 2500 mAh battery. The 7-cell Samsung top lithium battery pack provides loss-free cleaning performance for up to 40 minutes depending on usage. It offers the perfect balance between suction and runtime. The battery is detachable and can be charged separately on the charging dock. It is also important to note that the Jashen V18 also has versatile tools to meet all your needs. You can easily transfer from stick vacuum cleaner to car vacuum cleaner or pet vacuum cleaner, though a pet brush is sold separately. The soft, fluffy cleaner head was made to clean large debris and dirt off hard floors. It has extra soft bristles that prevent scratches. The motorized cleaner head can drive stiff nylon bristles deep into carpets to capture ground-in dirt and provides higher suction power than ordinary cordless vacuums on both hard floors and carpets. The mini motorized head is aimed at cleaning beds, sofas, and other unholstered furniture such as car seats, curtains, etc. The 2-in-1 dusting brush is composed of a crevice tool and a soft brush and can switch freely between the two to meet different situations, making it a great ceiling cleaning tool. The crevice nozzle is great for cleaning corners and crevices between furniture and walls. Get your own Jashen V18 cordless vacuum cleaner now and say hello to all the benefits and advantages this amazing product has to offer.